Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today we're going to have a quick unboxing of this package that I just received. I ordered this one last week and this one came up Monday, and I just got this one from the UPS store because I didn't have the time to open it and to get it and stuff like that. So now we're going to do an opening of this one. This is from the Real store. It's a consignment store online that they do sell luxury items, a used one. It's a pre-loved market that is a reliable one. So let's see, this is my first time to get a package from them, so let's check this out. And then, do you know what this one is? Do you know what's inside? It's my favorite luxury store. But this one is a pre-loved item. And this is less than $100. I was looking for this one for the other sites or offer up, fashion file. But it's like $150, $200. But this one, I found this one for a less than $100. So let's open this up. So this one, I paid $65. But then, because this is my first time with the Real, they gave me a discount because I just signed up with them, and then you should do that one too. They will give you $25 credit to sign up, and then it will go to your first purchase. It will gonna go to your first purchase. This is a really light one anyway. So this is the Real. Take your pleasure seriously. There you go. And then this is they really authenticated that authenticity is guaranteed. And then here's what I got. And then they consign, you can consign with them. And then yeah, so they are a consignment, luxury consignment store online. So this is the one inside the bag, and then there's what I got. So yeah, let's put this one away. The Real. So this one is just a simple item that I got. And then this is a men's red epi leather Louis Vuitton phone case. There you go. I'm gonna you inspect it first, and then I'm gonna inspect it later after you guys. There you go. And then there's the LB logo right there. It's subtle, so it's really nice. And then inside, if you can see that, there's the Louis Vuitton. It says there Louis Vuitton France, and then and then on the other side, on this side, you will see CT4067. So this one is 2007. Now I'm going to inspect it for you guys. There's like this one, the condition on this one on their website is a good, moderate marks at the interior, and then light scuffing on the exterior. And then you can really see the scuffing. So, but it's not really a big deal. And then probably I'm just going to send this one to Louis Vuitton because so that they would can reglaze it. So yeah, I'm kind of like looking for something like this. I don't think my iPhone 10 will fit on this one, but I will use this one as my pencil case anyways. See that? Now I can put this one in here. So that's what I'm going to really use this one for. And so let's put the pens in there so that, there you go. So that's how I'm going to use this one. And to organize this one on my toiletry pouch 26. So yeah, I'll put everything in here, and then that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, so check them out. And then probably there's a little bit of the markings. If you're going to see that, there's the markings, and then there's a scuffing on the markings. But other than that, I think it's a really good one. And then inside, there's probably a little marks on the inside. But other than that, like you see the black things on the side. But other than that, it's not really a big deal. It's only $65 plus the $25 credit, $11, $12 shipping, $6 tax, and then I paid $57 for this one um, at the Real online. So what are you waiting for? You should go. If this is your first time with them, you should go sign up, and then you're gonna be able to get a $25 credit to whatever you're going to purchase. So what are you waiting for? Do that. Subscribe, like, and comment. And if you like luxury, fashion, and lifestyle and travel, those are the things that I do on my channel, so check it out. So I ended up returning this one because this one is too much work. Look at the one on the side, the one on the bottom. If I'm going to bring it to LV, that one will cost me like $50 additional. And look at this scrapings on that. So that's why I'm gonna return this to the Real. And then yeah, it's a good thing that I see this one in person, but it's not really for me, so it doesn't spark with joy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. This is Charles, California. I will see you again later. Bye. The Real.